I used to writing spaghetti code like this, copying, pasting, same code again and again. Bro, stop. Instead, use functions. And here's why. Imagine you need to change your code later. Let's say you want to change this message right here. Now you have to update it every year. And yeah, that's definitely not fun. Let's overcome that issue by using a function. In Python, functions are defined by using the def keyword. Much like other languages, we write the function name and then its parameters inside the brackets. Parameters are like inputs to the function. In this case, the input is the count of brain cells. Now let's focus on function body. I will simply copy paste the repeated part right here. To run the code inside the function, we need to call it. Here's an interesting point. When we call a function, we pass the actual values. These are called arguments, not parameters. Anyway, now you can call the function as many times as you want. This way, the code looks dry. You know what dry means, right? By the way, you can iterate without loops. Crazy, right? Watch this video to see how.